G'day everyone, these are our strawberry towers. I bought these from Temu to give them a shot, see if we could grow strawberries in an upward, downward, whichever way you want to look at it, manner. And they've been in a few months now, so I thought we'd come and do a bit of a tidy up and look how they're going. So we've got lots of runners floating around here. Some of them are actually dead, so we'll chop them off and get rid of them. Now, some of our runners, like in here, didn't take. So what we need to do is find another runner, like this one. That's quite a good one there. It's connected to that one as well. So we can actually take that off. So the one down here is actually quite established. So we can take that off. We no longer need that. Now that one's a new independent strawberry plant. From over here, we've got a spot that didn't take, but look what we've got here. A really good strawberry runner. So we leave him connected. We're going to pop him in there, like so, and hope that that one takes. Now, one of the other things we've got is we've still got lots more runners coming off, like this one, which is quite long, and that's taking energy, so it's not going to produce any fruit. So what I want to do is take him off right back at these joints, so we could actually get 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 new strawberry plants from that. So we'll pop him over there and we'll replant him later. This one here is now completely independent. So we've got another strawberry plant there. This one here will take off, and he's starting to grow roots, so we will actually attempt to grow that one. We can see here we've got a really well established strawberry plant growing in there. That's the runner it came from, so we can take that off. And out of there, there's another independent strawberry plant, a weed. Turn it around a bit more. Missing one there, and this one has some good bits and some bad bits, so we'll chop off the not too good bits. We need to find a runner for that one. I think these have been in the shade a bit much, and we may not be able to get a runner there. So I've cut off one of our little nodules here, cut him right back to bare minimum. There we go. Take that one off too. And that little fella is going to go in there. Get another one. Nice big root bundle we need, or place where the root bundle will come from. Like that. So that's a good one. So we'll chop off the runner part. The runner that he sent out, some of these big leaves, take them off. A couple of little leaves, he's a bit big for it to support. And there we go. We have a nice little strawberry plant to go in right here. And there it is. Got to do something with this one that I took out of another pot, but that's all cleaned up. So while we're cleaning the strawberries up, I thought we might have a look at this. This is my pineapple plant, just growing from the top of a pineapple chucked in a pot and pretty much ignored. I've got 4 of them now, but it's really hard to find pineapples with the top still on. I think the growers don't like you regrowing them. There's my other strawberry plant we're going to have to clean up a bit, which I'll do now, but it's going to be pretty much the same as the one I just did over there. So there's some strawberries. Got to clean up my dragon fruit as well. This is just the place I grow cuttings, as you can see. Lots of cuttings growing over there. But they're a bit weed infested, and we'll clean it up. And I'm really hoping this is my raspberry jam wattle that I've grown from seed. So I hope they're going to come through for me. Oh, there we go. It's an intro to my pineapples. We seem to be going great guns, really, considering there's no care taken on them. And we've cleaned up our strawberries. These cheap bags from Temu seem to be doing the trick. Much, much more economical than the plastic towers that you can buy for a couple $100. How are you growing your strawberries? I've got some in hanging baskets as well. Let me know in the comments how you manage them. Well, that's it from me. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.